Hello, my name is Daniel Carwasco. I will be speaking on the topics of fission and fusion. In this short, comprehensive video, I will be expressing facts and my own opinions. First, we will be learning the definition of fission. Then, we will be looking at the equations involved. After that, we shall discuss the way nuclear fission is used to generate energy. And finally, after this, we shall skim the safety aspects of this energy. And finally, speak of the horrors of modern war. Okay, now we will speak of the chemical equations associated with fusion and fission. Here you see fission. Uranium plus the particles become these. And also fusion. The two hydrogens become helium and a neutron. Fusion is the action of dividing or splitting something into two or more parts. Atomic fission is the division of atoms. Harvesting energy from nuclear fission has been done and is still being used today. All nuclear power plants are powered by fission, but the energy from the plant is not directly from the fission. It is instead from the heat, which is a byproduct of the fission. You see, nuclear engineers use the heat from the uranium to heat water to make it change into a gas. And that turns a turbine. It's all still essentially steam power. The only power sources that don't use steam is solar power and wind power. Fission is not inherently safe. It creates radiation and can cause damage to DNA. Fission power also has been known to go critical. However, if handled properly, it can be safe. Wartime has been extremely affected. For example, no large-scale wars have happened after the invention of the nuclear fission bomb, all because of fear of complete annihilation of mankind. Nuclear fission is fusion is a reaction in which two atoms combine to form a nucleus with the release of energy. Harvesting energy from nuclear fusion hasn't been done in a controlled way. However, one could say that solar power is a form of energy from fusion. If fusion was harvested for power, it would be the most efficient form of power. Fusion has not been used in war. So the probability of military leaders having this power is still close to impossible to predict. Fusion isn't very safe. However, I believe the advantages far outweigh the disadvantages. The problem with fusion is how to make it stable and very condensed. The choice between fusion and fission is an easy one. For fission leaves behind deadly waste, and fusion leaves behind harmless helium. Fusion also creates an enormous amount of energy. The problem with fusion is that it hasn't been done before on Earth. My presentation will now be reaching its end. Thank you for your time.